In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a PDF into Google Sheets cells. This is an incredibly handy skill, especially if you want to keep all your documents organized and accessible in one location. Whether you're working with a team or just keeping track of resources for your own projects, this method will streamline your workflow by integrating information directly into your spreadsheets. First, let's get you started on your Google Sheet. From your web browser, open the Google Sheets document where you'd like to insert the PDF link. This could be a new sheet or a pre-existing one where you keep various documents organized. Once you've opened your Google Sheet, it's time to head over to Google Drive, where we'll locate the PDF you want to insert. Simply switch tabs or open a new browser window and navigate to Google Drive. In the search bar at the top, type in the name of the PDF file you're looking for and hit enter. This will pull up all the relevant results. Once you've found the right file, click on it to select it. After selecting the PDF file, perform a right click to bring up a menu with several options. From here, you'll want to find and select the Share option. This step is crucial because it ensures the PDF link is shareable, enabling you to integrate it smoothly into your Google Sheet. A dialog box will pop up containing several sharing settings. Locate the section labeled Get Link and click the Copy Link button to grab the shareable link to your clipboard. This link will be your ticket to accessing the PDF from within your sheet. With the link copied, return to your Google Sheet. Pick the cell where you'd like to insert the PDF link. Right-click on the cell and paste the link directly into it. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V or Command+V on a Mac to paste the link. Now you'll see a long URL appear in the cell. To make it look neater and more compact, simply hit the Tab key on your keyboard. This action shortens the link to a clickable text, making your spreadsheet look cleaner and more organized. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted a PDF into a Google Sheets cell with just a few simple steps. This method offers an efficient way to bring together key documents, making it easier than ever to quickly access and reference PDFs directly from your spreadsheets. Remember, if you want to share this sheet with others, make sure that the sharing settings on the PDF allow them to view it. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to effortlessly integrate PDFs into all your Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and have a